summoned Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to appear at their Mysuru office on Wednesday morning for questioning regarding the MUDA site allotment case. This announcement was made on Monday with official sources confirming the details. On October 25th, the Lokayukta police questioned Siddaramaiah's wife, Parvathi BM, who is also implicated in the case. The FIR filed on September 27th also names his brother-in-law Mallikarjun Swamy and Devaraju, from whom Swamy purchased land that was gifted to Parvathi. When asked by the media if he would appear before the Lokayukta, CM Siddaramaiah responded, "Yes, I will be going."
ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್